This is a candlestick, the foundation of trading. But to be honest, it doesn't give us very much information. What if we could enable a secret tool that gives us 10 times the data? Not only that, it tells us exactly who is in control, the buyers or the sellers, and who is likely to win. Used correctly, it tells us exactly what price is likely to do next. Introducing order flow. Imagine going to a fast-paced auction. A normal candlestick is like sitting in that room with very limited information. Now imagine before entering, someone gives you a sheet showing exactly what every bidder will do. That's order flow. Looking at a chart, a candle only shows us the outcome, who won the battle, and where price closed. To see the full story, we enable the volume footprint. The left side is sell volume, the right side is buy volume. Numbers inside the boxes show executed volume at each price. The footprint colors these numbers so you can quickly identify high and low activity levels. White numbers mark the price levels with the highest activity, often useful for support and resistance. Another key feature is the value area, shown by two white lines. The VAH, value area high, and VAL, value area low. This is where most of the volume occurs. The difference between total buy and sell volume is called delta. Red means seller's control, green means buyer's control. To understand the power of order flow, let's look at this example. Here's a chart without order flow. A trader might see this move as a simple downtrend with a break and retest of support. Now, let's turn on order flow. We see that while there's selling pressure pushing the price down, the buyers are stepping in near the value area. At this point, we can make a reasonable assumption that the buying interest will prevent a further drop. And indeed, the price ends up moving back up, creating a lower wick on this candle. This is a simple example, but the concept remains the same. Order flow helps us see the constant battle between buyers and sellers, and it allows us to identify key areas of interest, which leads to better trading decisions. The most important metric is imbalances, small red and green rectangles. They show where one side has at least 3 times more volume than the other. For example, here there is a green imbalance at this price level, indicating a lot more buy volume than sell volume. This imbalance suggests a potential buying pressure and a possible price increase, which is exactly what happens. Similarly, here there is a red imbalance suggesting a selling pressure that results in a price decrease. Correctly using imbalances helps predict price reversals. Now let's add another layer of complexity and understand absorption and initiation candles. An absorption candle shows buyers absorbing sellers, or vice versa. An initiation candle confirms directional intent. For example, in this case, we have an initiation candle showing a big spike in selling volume after a period of sideways movement. This is a sign that sellers are taking control and are likely to push the price down, which they do. And now let's talk about delta divergence. It occurs when price movement and cumulative volume delta, CVD, don't match. For example, here there is a red candle with a positive delta. This means that despite the price going up, the sell volume is increasing, indicating that the buyers are absorbing the sellers. This adds a layer of accuracy to our analysis, suggesting that the price might keep going up, which it does. In conclusion, using order flow, volume footprint, absorption, initiation, and delta divergence together gives us extremely accurate entries and predictions. With this knowledge, we can enter positions, set stops, and take profit at logical levels. This method works across all time frames, and it helps traders read the market with high precision. Remember, understanding order flow is like having a secret weapon in trading. It allows you to see the unseen, giving you a significant edge in the market. Practice, experiment, and soon you'll be reading the market like a pro. Happy trading!